Class 7 Chapter 2 Exercise 5 5th bit third one. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Third one 303.03. This is C1, so point to left side. What is it? Units place will be, tens place will be, hundreds place will be. Means this is 100, 300. Okay, this is 300 plus tens place 0 into 10, 0 only. Means no need to write that value. Plus 3 and plus this point after right side. What I said, 0 by 10. Means this is 1 by 10, this is 1 by 100, this is 1 by 1000 set. Means tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. 0 by 10 is equal 0. No need to write. Tens afterwards 100 means 3 by 100. Okay, directly I wrote. You want to write means you can write it that 0. In Hindi a point left side क्या है, units tens hundreds. बोल दो a unit से tens के place 0 है तो no need to write. a 100 के place में 300. Point right side क्या है, 0 by बोल दो a tens place a hundreds place. बोल दो 1 by 10 1 by 100. a 0 है ना, 0 by 10 is equal 0. इसलिए मैंने लिखा a 3 by 100 है. In Telugu ఈ పాయింట్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ యూనిట్స్ టెన్స్ హండ్రెడ్స్, పాయింట్ రైట్ సైడ్ 1 by 10 1 by 100. అంటే ఇది యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ రాసా, 10 ప్లేస్ 0, దిస్ ఇస్ 100 ప్లేస్ 300 రాసా. ఇది టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ 0, టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ రాయలేదు. ఇది హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్ రాసా, హండ్రెడ్స్ మీన్స్ 3 by 100.